Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to create a GramFree account. It's an easy process to set up your GramFree account and start earning a lot of money. First things first, click the link below and it will bring you to this page right here. When you come here, just come over here to sign up and click sign up. It's going to give you several options. You could use your Google account or use your Facebook account to create a GramFree account. So I'm going to be using my Google account to set it up. Alright, so right now you see I have an option to pick a Google account to set up my GramFree account. So I will just use this one right here. You can see how easy it is. I was able to set up a GramFree account. So right now, after setting up your account, just go about earning. So there are different strategies you could apply to start earning on GramFree. You could go through this right here. You come down here, you see free. You could use the free method here to earn on the GramFree account. You could roll this, you could use this roll here to earn. You can see each time you roll a number between this range, you get 0.1 gram. You can also use the lottery here to earn on gram. So you just do the lottery. You can see the payouts here. If you're among the first to 10 people, you get like 5,000 grams. And also you come down here and see referrals. This is also a very big way to earn on gram. You see your referral link, so you share this with a couple of people. You can't invite so many people in a day. I guess it's between 5 to 10. It was 10 at some point. Some people are saying it's 5 now. You need to use your referral link and refer to like 5 people every day or 10 people every day. You have to confirm how many people the GramFree system allows you to refer in a day. So the next thing here, how do you earn? You can upload videos also. So right now a lot of questions is how do you withdraw? Very easy. They give you several options to withdraw. It's a cryptocurrency, so they like to withdraw with other cryptocurrencies, so it will convert your gram. So you can see right now a gram is what, so let's say you're withdrawing, let's say 500 gram. You see 500 gram is worth over $1,000, guys. So you could actually withdraw with Bitcoin, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, American Express, Pioneer, and Payeer account, and you can just click withdraw. This is how you actually create your account and start earning. And you just need to be patient, referring, following the system, and that should take you to the next level. Once you keep growing your level, you need to do all these activities every day to get to this. Once you get to those levels, you are able to upgrade and you start earning. So hope this was helpful. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.